Hello, readers. It's time for our trick word practice. Just like we do at school, I am going to show you a trick word. First, we're going to read the word. Then we'll air write or sky write, and then we'll say the word one more time. Let's try the first one. This trick word is I. Get your fingers ready to air write. Remember, we're pretending like there's a crayon or a marker on the tip of our fingers, as if we could see it in the sky when we write. Let's go nice and slow and write the word I. Nice job. Here's the next one. This word is of. Air write. O. F. The word is of. Nice job. Remember to say each letter's name when we air write it. Say this with me. Say A. This trick word is A. Get ready to write. Here we go. A. Beautiful. Here we go. Let's do a few more. This word is C. Let's get ready to air write. Ready? Say each letter's name. S, E, E. The word is C. The word is U. Let's air write. Say each letter's name. Y, O, U. The word is U. Two more, first graders. Do you know what this trick word is? You're right, it's is. Let's say each letter's name as we air write. I, S. The word is. Last trick word for practice today. This word is was. Air write. Here we go. W, A, S. That word is was. All right, we are all warmed up. We've practiced reading so many words. We only have one more job that's left to do, and that's to read our story. All of the words and the trick words we've been practicing, we're going to see them in the story. Can't wait to read with you. See you in the next video.